Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. A $60 million site missed revenue targets by $180K in Q3. The operator blamed bad weather. The forecast team blamed unexpected cloud cover. When we compared actual versus forecast irradiance minute by minute, a pattern emerged. Forecasters systematically underestimated afternoon clearing events. Clouds would part at 3 p.m. and irradiance would spike 30%. The site could ramp to peak for 90 minutes. But the forecast said cloudy all afternoon. The site never ramped because bids were based on the forecast. They lost $180K in 3 months from one repeating pattern. Today, I am showing how forecast bias patterns cost you 6 figures and how to fix them. Weather forecasts are probabilistic models trained on historical patterns. Local conditions create biases that generic models miss. Coastal sites see afternoon sea breeze clearing that generic models miss. Mountain sites see orographic patterns that satellite data smooths over. Desert sites experience dust versus cloud confusion in satellite observations. Your forecaster might be accurate 80% of the time, but systematically wrong in high-value windows. Afternoon clearing events are moneymakers because irradiance spikes when grid demand peaks. If your forecast underestimates these, you undercommit in day-ahead markets. You leave money on the table. I was 180K in 1 quarter for 160 millibar site scales to 1M to 2M across a 500 millibar portfolio over a year. You may be thinking our forecaster is certified and uses industry-standard models. Standard models are trained on broad regional data and do not capture your site's microclimate. Accuracy metrics like RMSE hide bias because you can have good RMSE but still miss clearing events. What matters is whether you are systematically missing money in the highest value windows. Here's how to detect and fix forecast bias. Step 1. Pull 12 months of forecast versus actual irradiance at 15-minute intervals. Step 2. Segment by time of day and weather pattern like morning, midday, afternoon, cloudy, partly cloudy, and clear. Step 3. Calculate bias per segment to see if the forecaster consistently underestimates afternoons or overestimates mornings. Step 4. Quantify the financial impact by weighting bias with market price and site capacity. An afternoon underestimate is more expensive than a morning overestimate. Step 5. Feed bias correction back to the forecaster and apply percentage corrections during bidding. Step 6. Validate monthly because bias patterns drift with seasons and recalculate quarterly. Segmented bias analysis can recover 150K to 300K per quarter on 50 to 100 millibar portfolios. Your forecaster is probably systematically wrong in your highest revenue windows even if overall accuracy looks fine. Over a year that can be 200K to 500K in lost opportunity. Schedule a free forecast bias analysis, and we will segment your forecast versus actual by time and weather pattern. We will quantify bias in high-value windows and build correction factors you can apply immediately. Most portfolios discover 10 to 25% systematic bias in peak price hours. Book your analysis. The first 12 operators get a bias correction playbook. Your forecast missed 180K in 1 quarter by underestimating afternoon clearing events. Overall accuracy looked fine, but systematic bias in high-value windows costs real money. Here is how to detect and fix it. Take action now and schedule your free forecast bias analysis. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.